Imagine waking up one morning, but something feels off. The sun is frozen in the sky, the winds are howling, and the ground beneath you is shaking violently. Because at this very moment, the Earth's rotation has completely stopped, and now the world as we know it is about to be destroyed. Right now, Earth is spinning at 1,670 kilometers per hour, 1,037 miles per hour, at the equator. It's this rotation that gives us day and night, stabilizes our weather, and controls ocean currents. But if it were to suddenly stop, all that energy has to go somewhere, and the results would be catastrophic. First, the atmosphere keeps moving at the original speed of Earth's rotation. That means, if you're at the equator, you'd suddenly be hit by 1,600 kilometers per hour winds, strong enough to flatten cities and throw people, cars, and even buildings into the air. Meanwhile, the oceans wouldn't stop moving either. Giant tsunamis, hundreds of meters high, would rush inland, wiping out entire coastlines. And if that wasn't bad enough, the seismic shock waves from the sudden stop would trigger earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and even global wildfires. With the Earth's core destabilized, volcanoes across the planet would erupt simultaneously. The massive heat and ash clouds would block out sunlight, sending Earth into a volcanic winter. Meanwhile, without rotation, Earth's magnetic field would weaken, exposing us to deadly solar radiation from space. And for any survivors? Well, things are only about to get worse. Without rotation, half the planet would be stuck in permanent daylight, scorching under unbearable heat. The other half, plunged into eternal darkness, freezing over into a lifeless wasteland. This means most of Earth's water would evaporate or freeze, leaving very few places livable. But could humans adapt to this new reality? To survive, humanity would have to migrate to the narrow zone between the eternal day and night, where temperatures might still be tolerable. We'd have to build massive domed cities, create artificial light sources, and find new ways to grow food. But even then, could we really survive in a world with no rotation, no magnetic field, and an unstable climate? The truth is, Earth as we know it would never be the same again. So next time you look up at the sky, be thankful that our planet keeps spinning, because if it ever stopped, it would be the end of the world. What other crazy scenarios should we cover next? Let us know in the comments.